Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Avensis. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the steering wheel. Right here we've got the display button. Press it to change information on the instrument cluster. You can check average fuel consumption, range, average speed, elapsed time, seatbelt status, and you can go to settings. Also you can find date and odometer. If you don't have this button on the steering wheel, you should have this knob here. Press it to adjust the information, same as on the steering wheel. Also, we've got odo trip button. We can find trip A, trip B, and odometer. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.